Hey there, coffee lovers! Are you ready to take your taste buds on an adventure? Click on the link in the description below to get your special offer from Atlas Coffee Club. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this one. All right, let's dive in. So, you might be wondering, what exactly is Atlas Coffee Club? Imagine a world tour in a cup. This subscription service delivers single-origin coffees from around the globe straight to your doorstep. And when I say around the globe, I mean it. We're talking beans from Ethiopia, Colombia, Tanzania, you name it. Each month you get a new coffee adventure. Now let's talk about the unboxing experience. Picture this. You open your mailbox, and there it is, a beautifully designed box waiting for you. Inside, you'll find not just coffee, but a whole experience. There's a postcard from the coffee's origin country, a charming little info card with tasting notes and brewing tips. It's like getting a mini vacation every month. But wait, it gets better. Each bag of coffee is freshly roasted, so you know you're getting top-notch quality. And the best part? It's all curated just for you. No more guesswork at the grocery store, no more stale beans, just pure, delicious coffee. Now, if you're anything like me, you love learning about where your coffee comes from. Atlas Coffee Club makes that super easy. The info cards are packed with fascinating details about the farmers, the region, and even the altitude where the beans were grown. It's like a mini coffee masterclass with every sip. And can we talk about the flavors? Oh my goodness, the flavors! You get to experience the unique profiles of different regions. One month you might be sipping on a fruity Ethiopian Yirgacheffe, and the next a rich, chocolatey Guatemalan Antigua. It's like a flavor roller coaster, and I am here for it. Now, I know what you might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but what about the price? Atlas Coffee Club is super affordable, especially considering the quality and the experience you're getting. Plus, with the special offer in the link below, you can get an even better deal. So, what are you waiting for? Treat yourself or a fellow coffee lover to the ultimate coffee journey. Click the link in the description, grab your discount, and start exploring the world one cup at a time. All right, coffee adventurers, that's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your coffee-loving friends. And let me know in the comments where your coffee journey takes you. Until next time, happy brewing!